How to decide if college is right for you. There's a lot of different factors that one should consider if they're going to decide to go to college or not. And I just like to run through a few of those. I myself went to college in my family. It wasn't much of a choice whether I went or not, but I'm glad I did. I didn't really use my major and what I graduated in as much as I would have anticipated, but I'm glad I went for a lot of different reasons. In your particular case, the first question I would ask is, what do you want to do? Do you want to, for example, use your hands, tinker with things, or, be in a position to, if you're a young lady, if you pick dentistry, for example, or nursing, those are two great options that are always in demand, but might not require a degree. The same goes with maybe some young gentlemen that want to go into plumbing or electrical or a trade, for example, like construction. Um, they don't really require a degree, and most of those degrees you could get at a junior college. So that's the first decision I would make. The advantage of, say, a 4 year degree, a bachelor's, is if you want to be management. If you want to be management sooner, college is a great option. You're going to probably go directly from college to a company that's going to make you a supervisor, a manager of sorts. You'll be there quicker, you'll have a higher pay grade, but there'll be more stress involved. It'll become more of a lifestyle and not a job. So that's a huge consideration for that. The other one would be financial. Do you have family obligations? Do they need you to be an earner? While you can certainly work during college, and I did myself, it makes things harder to focus. It might prolong your college experience. So, if you need to make money in order to contribute for your family or whatever the situation may be, college might not be the right choice. Or you can attend night school, say at a junior college, because I know certainly in some states, junior college is free of charge if you graduated high school in that state. And I would always recommend that for anybody. You could take one or two night classes a semester and probably still manage a job as well. So that's definitely something to consider. The other big thing is opportunity cost. Is 4 years in college, or that 4 years you could be earning and learning, and building your time with a company. What's more valuable? That's a tough personal question to answer, but I would say if you're going into the trades, then that's way more valuable than college will be for you now. And like I said, you can always go later in life. And the simple truth of it is college has changed a lot. I think it's a lot more obsolete than it used to be. The views on it have changed. You can do it online. You don't even have to attend at a campus. I think those factors have changed the game quite a bit. We've changed in this society since 20, 30 years ago to more of a service industry than a skill-based industry, in a lot of regards. So I don't know if it's as necessary to be as specialized anymore because, for example, all these big companies, you're going to go and start working there and you're just going to be pretty much customer service as opposed to what it used to be is you're going to be, dedicated to a single purpose. So I think that's a big consideration as well. I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I'd love it if you'd comment as well and tell me what your decision is. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comment and I'd love to give you advice. I'd love to have a back and forth with you and help you make the decision because it's a big one. It's not an easy one, but don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself. We're all meant to make mistakes. And I just like to send out the message is just take care of yourself, and if you're not, start now. You're a good person. You're meant to do this for a reason, and nobody's meant to be perfect, like I said. But if you just keep going, you'll find your way. I appreciate your time. Take care. Bye.